What is going on, gang? Welcome back to another video. So today we should have a relatively quick video, I think under 10 minutes. All we are installing today is a new splitter. There it is. It's the same one I had before. So quick little story. A few months ago, I think it was in June, I went to a cousin's house far from the city, and they had like no street lights. There was a raised sewer cap that I did not see. Unfortunately, it got caught on the splitter. Or the splitter got caught on the raised sewer cap, and I lost the splitter, but the lip was still intact. Everything was protected. Luckily, the splitter did its job. So I don't see why there wasn't a reason to get the same one. So quick shout out to WRX Twans, who is now BRZ Twans. Check out his new video on his car he traded it in. But shout out to Twan because he gave me his splitter, the same one that I needed and I was looking for a good price. So shout out to him. Also got something else from him right over there. It's sitting. I think I'm gonna wait until after winter to put that on, but we will see. Time will tell. I'll see how I feel. But there is something sitting on the side that is, I think is exciting, and I think most people will think it's exciting. Any kind of piping is always exciting, you know? Anyway, so what I'm gonna do now is bring the splitter upstairs, and we're gonna bring it to over to the garage and get it set up, take the bumper off. I'm not gonna show you guys how to take off all that bumper, all that stuff, because it's 1,000 videos out there on it already, so you guys can check those videos out on how to take it off. If you guys haven't seen the WRX transformation video, I'll link it up top right now. Make sure you guys check that out, because that has a list of all the mods that I did. Some things have changed, not a whole bunch. But yeah, it's the same splitter from that video. So if you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you guys check that out. There it is. So luckily, when the splitter got caught, I don't know if you guys can see. My car's like not even that low, but it got caught. I guess it's low enough. Plus the splitter sticking out, there was a raised sewer cap, so yeah. Luckily though, the lip, as you guys can see, is still intact. Perfect condition. So let's get this baby raised, take the bumper off, put this on, and yeah. Had to flex the sea lights real quick. Had to go get the headlamp real quick. This thing is super goated, by the way, guys. Look at these settings. Wait. Bro, I just charged this. There's no way. I went to go switch lamps for more heavy duty. Movie magic. And with that, a little bit more movie magic. We have the bumper off, the car in the air, and what we are going to do now is give a quick little wipe down and polish to the splitter, make sure it's all clean, get that installed, put the bumper back on, we're done. Alright, so we have the splitter all lined up. I had some things loose here that I was fixing. Now that we have all that set up, we also have it lined up now, as you guys can see. Looks good, looks good. Honestly, it's my favorite looking splitter. Nice and simple, no extra canards, just straight, flat. You know. I'm turning the light. Yeah, there it is. So we have it lined up. Now all we gotta do is put on the bolts with everything here, and then we'll slap it back on and we'll be done. I needed to drill some I need to make the holes bigger for the hardware. So, you know, I don't have one of those bumper rest stands, but you know what I do have? 2 plastic yard chairs, a pillow, 2 pillows, and 2 Microsoft towels. They do the job. Alright, so the splitter is fully bolted onto the bumper now. My headlamps keep dying. But yeah, so all of it is on now. As you guys can see, fitment is perfect. Oh, what am I aiming at? Fitment is perfect. Let's show the bottom side. Got all of the hardware in. Everything is tight and it's not going anywhere. Anybody who has worked on a VB or just a Subaru in general plus the VB, this is definitely the most pain in the ass front bumper of any generation WRX out there. 100%, 100%. Taking it off is always easy, but putting it on is always a pain in the butt. But we managed to do it with one person by ourselves. Gary's at work today. We're gonna put all the pop clips back on and we're done. Everything is done. We're just gonna wipe off our crusty fingerprints and handprints and everything. The other day last week, some guy threw a can at my car on my way home from somewhere with my girlfriend. I'm not sure what it was. Maybe it was a can of Red Bull or maybe it was a can of beer. Not sure why the guy did that. But I'm just happy there wasn't any major damage. It did get scuffed the paint on the hood just a little bit, but we're gonna try to buff that out. Anyways, let's roll the clip. Yes, sir. Back to looking a little bit normal. All right, gang. So I'm gonna finish cleaning up in the garage. I'm gonna move the car back, and tomorrow morning, or actually, I have work tomorrow. So when I come home from work tomorrow, when the sun's still out, I will give you guys a better look. But for now, here it is at the nighttime with the garage light on. You know, without the lip or the splitter, the bumper looks very like squished together like this. But I feel like with the splitter, with the lip, it definitely helps. And then when you add the splitter, it makes the bumper look much more fuller. And because of the black, in my opinion, it creates like the shadow effect. It makes the car look lower than it actually is, especially if I'm driving behind you. So Gary tells me that when I'm driving behind him, before, you know, I lost the splitter, he told me my car looked extremely low from the rear mirror. Here we are, next day. Let's take a look. It's raining, but the car looks good when it's wet. What? Here it is, boys. So if you guys have watched my other videos, it's nothing different. It's just back to normal. Same splitter. I really like this design of it's very simple, you know. It extends the bumper look. It definitely fills out the bottom portion much better. I mean, the lip does most of the job, but the splitter just adds that nice final touch, and it helps make the car appear a little bit lower. There is a scuff mark on this side. I didn't realize it until I put it on, but not a big deal. It's just one scuff right here. We'll fix that up with some paint on a drier day. But yeah, easy fix. But yeah, here it is. Looks good. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thank you again so much for tuning in with us. Catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Cue the clips.